At Rust-Oleum, our roof restoration process is broken down into 4 easy but vital steps: cleaning, priming, reinforcing, and coating. Every step is important for the long-term performance of the roofing system. We're here to ensure that you get the best quality performance that the market can offer, and we're here to help. The first step of every roof restoration project requires cleaning. Our installers can utilize Rust-Oleum one-step roof prep with a scrub brush to apply the cleaner to the roof surface. Let the cleaner stand on the surface for 5 minutes prior to power washing. A 2000 psi power washer or less is recommended to remove debris from the substrate. This will limit the risk of tearing the roof membrane. Surface washers are highly recommended on roof restorations. This will substantially increase productivity over a traditional wand. Make sure to push all excess dirty water into the roof drain to remove off of the roof. After cleaning, be sure to mark 10 by 10 grid areas to facilitate adequate coating rate coverage. Next, the roof needs to be primed. Priming will ensure top coat adhesion and performance. Start with the parapet walls before priming the field. Be sure to follow manufacturer specifications on the product recoat window. The third step is reinforcing and detail work with a 3-course repair. This strengthens and waterproofs the seams on the roof to avoid cracking, which could lead to leaks in the roof system. Be sure to detail all roof penetrations, including but not limited to HVAC curbs, roof drains, scuppers, J-vents, and pitch pockets. Then, reinforce seams on parapet walls and roof perimeter. Address the head laps, followed by the side laps, to complete the reinforcement process. The last step is the top coat, which protects the roofing system from further deterioration and extends the life of the roof. In addition, the top coat can help increase building energy efficiency. Buildings can see anywhere from a 10 to 15% energy savings from converting a black to white coated roof system. Coating a roof has some similarities to priming. First, start with coating the parapet walls. Be sure the material is being applied at the correct mill rate. Apply specified amount of material in a ribbon in the designated 10 by 10 marked areas. And then backroll the material and cross-roll, ensuring even coating application. Allow coating to cure per manufacturer's specification prior to returning the roof back to service. For additional support on your next roof restoration project, reach out to the roofing experts at Rust-Oleum. We're here to help. Roofing at Rust-Oleum.com.